Hello. Today we are going to discuss the concept of simulation costing. Here, as the word suggests, simulation. So the simulation costing works for simulating the cost of our important raw material as to if this is the cost, then what is the impact of that in my total cost of my production or my total standard cost. If we want to check that and we want to change the cost and we want to see the impact of that, so this is what the simulation costing is, and we can also store the simulation costing in the material master for the final product. Now let us check the simulation costing first. Let's say we'll go to CK11N. This is the material and this is the costing variant. We can create a separate costing variant for simulation costing. This is the simulation costing variant. Okay. Now if you see here, the prices picked up for the raw materials are 145 and 190 for these two important raw materials. So raw material number 12 and raw material number 51. The prices picked up are 145 and 90. At the same time, if we go and check the prices of this particular raw material here in the material master, it is 140. Okay. And also we can go and check in the accounting view. It is 140, but system has taken the price of 145 from the commercial price 1, where we have stored the simulated price of 145, and hence system has taken the price as 145. Similarly, in the raw material number 2, let us check that also, or let's say 51. So the 51 is the price for this material is moving average price is 180. But we have taken the price as 190 as simulated cost. So system has taken that as a simulated cost. So the moment when we change the price of 145 to 190 or 190 to anything, this costing will get changed automatically and will get a revised cost. Say for example, here my total price per unit as per the simulated cost is 954.50. Now let us go and change the price for one of the material. So the price change is also very easy. We can go to MM02 and go to the accounting view 2. Instead of 145, let's say I'll put it here as 148. And let's save it. And now I'll run the CK11N for my main material, that is 55. And let's check whether system has taken the price as 145 or 148. Yes, system has taken is 148. Now let us check the impact of that in our total cost of the product. So the earlier price was 954 and it is now 958. So this is how the prices of the raw material we can enter in the commercial price 1, 2, 3, or here we have set as commercial price 1, and we can simulate the total cost of production. And this feature is very, very helpful in a dynamic market, in the variable market, where we want to estimate the cost of our product as per the market trend of the raw materials. And this is a very, very useful feature for our costing process. Thank you.